Are you tired of wondering if your Firefox is up to date? Learn how to manually check and install the latest release in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open the About Firefox window to check for updates. Then, I'll show you how to configure automatic updates and troubleshoot common issues. Go to the Firefox help page for updating to the latest release. Firefox updates automatically in most cases, but you can manually check for and install updates if needed. Keeping it up to date ensures you have the latest features and security improvements. This article only applies if you installed Firefox by downloading it from Mozilla. If you got it from the Microsoft Store, updates come through the store instead. Firefox may still be downloading the latest update in the background, even if the About Firefox window says it's up to date. Updates are applied after restarting. Once the download is complete, click Restart to update Firefox. Configure how Firefox installs updates. Click the Menu button and select Settings. To learn about the option to install updates when Firefox isn't running, check out the article on Enabling Background Updates on Windows. If you run into issues, there's a section for troubleshooting update problems. This article applies only if you downloaded Firefox from Mozilla. Otherwise, updates come from the Microsoft Store. That's all for keeping Firefox up to date. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.